BluArmor activated.
Greetings riders. In this video, we will show you how to configure Ride Aura and the brake light feature on your BluArmor C60 Pro. Let's get started. First, power on your device and make sure it is connected to your phone. Open the BluArmor app and wait for it to connect. Once connected, on the home page, you'll see the Ride Aura feature. Tap on the power toggle to turn Ride Aura on. By default, it will activate hazard mode, which you can see on the MagDock lights. To customize Ride Aura, tap on the arrow icon on top right of the Ride Aura section. On this page, you'll see all the Ride Aura configuration options. You can enable or disable hazard mode and brake light mode here. The brake light feature uses the built-in sensors on the C60 Pro to detect braking, making the Ride Aura lights glow red when you slow down. You can enable it by simply toggling the brake option on. Below this, you'll find preset lighting options with different colors. Tap on any color preset to preview it on the device and enable it. You can also edit and customize these presets by adding new colors or changing the lighting pattern. You can even create your own custom presets using the My Presets tab at the bottom. To do this, turn Ride Aura on using any color or the power button, then go to the My Presets tab and tap on Create. Enter a name for your preset, then tap the brush icon to add colors. Use the color wheel to select your desired color and tap OK. Once you've added your colors, tap on Select Effect, choose from the available effects, and adjust the speed of the pattern. Then tap on Save. Your new preset is now saved and active on the device, and the next time you turn on Ride Aura, this preset will start automatically. You can also toggle Ride Aura using the 3-button module. On the 3-button module, press the middle button with 2 short clicks and 1 long click to turn Ride Aura on. Use the same action again to turn it off. Push left and then push down to turn on Ride Aura using the T-stick. And that's it. Your Ride Aura and brake light features are now fully set up on your C60 Pro, helping you ride safer and stand out on every ride.